In this video, I'm going to show you how to play Call of Duty Mobile using your PS4 remote. So the first thing you need to do is you need to pair the PS4 remote. And what you do is you press the PS button and then the share button at the same time. And then once you press both of them, you're going to see a blinking light. That means that the controller is ready to be paired with your phone. Then on your phone, what you do is you open the settings application. And then you go to Wi-Fi connections and Bluetooth, and then you go ahead and click on Bluetooth. In Bluetooth, you go ahead and scroll down, and then you're gonna see the available devices there called wireless controller. You go ahead and click that, and then you click pair. Okay, once the two have paired, then what you do is you go to the Play Store and then you download this application there called PS Pad. Once you open PS Pad, it's gonna ask you to allow some permissions. So you go ahead and allow the permissions through the settings. And once you allow the permissions, then what you do is you go to the top left there. And then you go over to where it says button mapping. And then here, just go ahead and name it whatever you want. I'm gonna call mine PS4. Then click OK. And now it's gonna go through a series of steps. So you go ahead and press circle, X, squares, triangle, and then options, share, L1, R1, L2, R2, L3, R3, PS button, up, left, up, right, up, right. All right, so in here, I already created a mapping before, so I'm just gonna go ahead and click yes. And then it's not a free app, so it's gonna give you some ads, so you can close the ads. Okay, and now what you do is you go over to settings, and then there is a setting here to make it your mapping profile. So what you do is you click on profiles, and then on gamepad mapping profiles, you can go ahead and select the one that you created there, which is our PS4 one. Okay, so now what you do is close the application. In my case, I go to the game launcher. I'm gonna open Call of Duty. I got the game loading. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and click multiplayer. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and start a match. I'm gonna set the phone in here while I hold the remote. All right, so the game is starting now. And I'm gonna go ahead and press X to select. And now I'm gonna move with the joystick. And as you can see, I'm able to aim, shoot, reload, crouch. And that's basically how you set up the PS4 controller with the Call of Duty mobile game. Alright, if you have any questions, leave a comment below and please subscribe.